Hey, what's going on, everyone? I just thought I'd make a quick video on a couple of new ETFs that I just noticed on the Hamilton ETFs website. You heard it here first, but there's no press release or anything out yet. So I was just scrolling the website and I noticed that their champion lineup, so they've got their champion ETF lineup, which basically, guys, as they say here, low cost exposure to high quality companies with proven track records, helping growth focused investors access the equity all stars. So thinking the best of the best, right? So if you guys are familiar with these lineups, they've got the CMVP and the SMVP, which is the Canadian Dividend Champions and the US Dividend Champions. And by the way, these are also part of their zero DTE lineups. They are included in the C Day and the S Day ETFs that they also have. Now, two new ETFs that I just noticed, UMVP and QMVP. Like I said, guys, this is all out on the website, but there's no press release or anything like that that I've seen yet. Just thought I'd share this with you guys. But UMVP, this is going to be an equal weight portfolio of blue chip Canadian utilities, pipelines, and telecom companies. 0.19% management fee. That's great. And basically, guys, it's saying here defensive sector, low cost diversification beyond traditional utilities. And then, of course, you've got the favorable tax treatment for those eligible Canadian dividends. So this is pretty interesting stuff. They do have the portfolio out here. So you guys can see here, it's pretty equal weight with the portfolio that they have. This is just a quick look at it here. It's not trading yet. Neither of these two ETFs are trading. It looks like the launch date is going to be January 21st. So this one's going to have monthly distributions, no currency hedging, and semi-annual portfolio rebalancing. Pretty cool, but to me, the most interesting one that I saw is QMVP. This one kind of caught my eye, and I'm going to tell you guys why here in just a second, but this one's pretty concentrated. You got 25 US technology companies, and it's in bold. They have an emphasis on profitability. So obviously Hamilton has gone ahead and done the homework, taken the most profitable US tech companies, taken them and putting them in this index. Also a 0.19% management fee. So you've still got that low management fee, and a modified market cap weighted portfolio, 2 to 6% per holding to minimize concentration risk. That's also pretty nice. As you guys are probably well aware, technology is very much concentrated in the markets these days. And this ETF is also going to have exposure to the Magnificent Seven. It will be unhedged. So I really do find this one interesting for a couple of reasons, and I'm going to tell you why. But first, let's take a quick look at the portfolio, guys. Here's a quick look at it. These are the 25 stocks that they have selected so far for their portfolio. This is QMVP. And here's the fun details. So this one's also supposed to launch January 21st, but a couple of things here, guys. It has monthly distributions, which I found pretty interesting from a technology portfolio. I don't believe there's covered calls or anything like that on this. So it does have monthly distributions. The one question I would have about this is, would they switch out XLK in Q Day and place QMVP into their Q Day ETF? You guys are probably aware Hamilton likes to bring things in-house, which I think is a great idea. They lower those fees. They have more control over the assets. They already have CMVP and SMVP from their champion lineup in C Day and S Day. To me, it would kind of stand to reason they could put QMVP into Q Day to lower some fees, possibly bring up the yield if they have monthly distributions on this ETF. And then bring everything in-house, right? That's just speculation on my end. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. This is just something I noticed on their website. Like I said, not a lot of information yet, but pretty cool, pretty interesting. I thought I'd share it with you guys. You guys heard it here first. Feel free to leave me a like, and I will catch you guys on the next